Hi everyone, this is Martha again of the Beauty Junkee. Welcome again to another video. And in this video, I am going to swatch the newest colors of Vice Cosmetics lipsticks. So meron siyang bagong shades ng Phenomenal Liquid Lipstick and Good Vibes Lipstick. So this video na to, sasabihin ko lang sa inyo, mabilis lang siya because this is just going to be a swatch video. Now, if you want to know my complete thoughts about the products, the quality, texture, consistency, and lasting power ng lahat ng lipsticks ni Vice Ganda, then please check out my other video. And eto, yung kit na binigay sa amin. So, I don't think this is sold as a set. I think this is just a press sample na binigay sa amin. So, papakita ko yung loob neto. And if you want to know what the new shades look like and kung ano-ano ang mga pangalan nito, sobrang cool ng mga pangalan. Nakakatuwa yung mga pangalan, guys. Then, please keep on watching. Okay, isang mabilisang unboxing lang netong box na nakuha namin. So, this is what it looks like inside. Ayan. So, andito lahat ng shades ng bagong Good Vibes lipsticks. Andito siya sa bottom. And dito sa top are the Phenomenal Liquid Lipsticks. And then, meron din isang cute na mirror na binigay si team ni Vice Ganda. So, thank you for this. Really, really amazing kit. And meron din siyang ito, information card. And it says here, be phenomenal and get good vibes with this new nakakagandang shades of our Good Vibes Matte Lipstick and Phenomenal Matte Liquid Singles Collection. So, singles, ayan. So, yung nauna niyang na-release are the Phenomenal Lip Kit. So, meron siyang isang liquid lipstick and isang lip liner. So, pareho sila ng colors, partner sila. But, etong mga bagong liquid lipsticks niya, singles na lang sila. So, they don't come in the kits anymore and wala na silang partner na lip liner. So, then, mabibili niyo sila ng ganito lang. And the price of the lipstick is still the same. It's 195 pesos pa rin. And yung Phenomenal liquid single, it's 195 pesos na rin. So, yung lip kit, yung nauna Phenomenal lip kit, mga nasa 250 ba or 295 if I'm not mistaken. So, yan. Kung medyo out of the budget pa rin yun, don't worry. Vice has thought of you and has you covered. Kaya nag-release siya nitong mga Phenomenal liquid singles. Huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Let's now go to the swatches of the Phenomenal liquid lipstick and Good Vibes matte lipstick. And yes guys, tapos na po tayo with swatching the entire new shades of Vice Cosmetics lipsticks. Oh my god, sobrang short lang nitong video na to. So, sorry guys sa mga nag-expect dyan ng medyo mahaba-habang video. I think this is like the shortest video I've made for YouTube. So, yay! Sorry guys hindi talaga ako mahilig sa mga mahabang videos and hindi po ako yung type na maraming paligoy-ligoy. As much as possible, I want to go straight to the product and what I want to talk about. Kasi ako as a viewer, ganun din ako eh. Talagang gusto ko, pag kunyari, this video will discuss this, dinidiretso ko talaga doon. So, yeah. Can pretty much say, medyo boring ako na beauty vlogger dahil hindi ako mahilig kumuda. Thank you again guys for watching this very, very quick video and I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it if you love it as well, and let me know also yung mga comments nyo about Vice Cosmetics lipsticks, and kung na-try nyo na tong mga to, let me know your favorites as well. Please follow my social media accounts, visit my blog, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, Beshies!